Take a ride in the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, universal garage door opener, trip computer, clock, tachometer, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, satellite radio, perimeter alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.